Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So I just want to get this one level in here, and you can see the importance of it, and we're just bumping our head on it. I'll give it to you now, but I just want to start off on the weekly, big weekly pin bar that is relatively bullish, and then you have a big engulfing bar on the daily, or not quite engulfing, there's a gap up, and then we've got this spinning top, hanging man, whatever you want to call it, at structure, and then I have a bullish crossover of the oscillators. So bullish here, bearish crossover of the moving averages. We're in between all the moving averages, which is range, and then we've got on the 8 hour a very strong level of resistance that we are flirting with at the moment, with the oscillators separating for a bearish move, as well as defending the 150 EMA. So I'm just going to put this pin bar in, this one here, because that is going to be fairly important, and then the swing low is also going to be important. So this was a double top, and I don't think it played out, if I remember correctly. So that's 1585. That was 120 points short of playing out, so there's still a chance that it can actually go for that target as well. I'd be watching this zone that we're coming up to very, very carefully, to be honest. Don't trust this. That's a big down from the weekly perspective. We get down to 3 hour, you see it very clearly. Then going into the close, buyers and sellers, those that scaled in didn't sell out, and those that were short are still, not all of them, I think some of them came out here, but some of them are still holding short as well. So we, again, in amongst moving average, got a crossover of the faster moving averages, so that's bullish. Oscillators are bearish. The fact that we're between all the moving averages means we are ranging. Nothing really there on the 3 hour. We drill down to the hour. That is a clear range on the hour. Oscillators not offering anything. We're in amongst all the moving averages, and we're about to get a crossover of the 150 EMA. So, to be honest, I'd rather see a move higher and then a pullback, build a base, and then get the opportunity to get in. Don't really want to be jumping in with this. And being a Monday, you're probably going to get exactly the same price action today, because there's normally no catalyst on a Monday that drives price. So, yeah, more of the same, to be honest. And coming off nothing, and then you have a fairly strong level here at 39,360, and then just above it, like that, is another fairly strong level. So this is the zone. 150 EMA is in the zone as well. So 39,400 to 39,360. That's the area which is also bottom of range. So you probably see price come and just muck around in this area. I'm not really keen on this at the moment. There's this massive overhead resistance here, which is very close to us. So I don't expect us to fly through that with without some huge catalyst. And then the other thing is you've got a fairly strong level of support, but it is basically hourly support, if you look at that. So it's not as strong as the resistance ahead of us. So yeah, I think I'm going to wait this one out today. There may be something better on the S&P 500, although the S&P 500 is also a little bit all over the place. So for me, this is just a case of wait and see. And it's typical for Monday, so often Mondays there's not much going on. It's only when there's been a big move on Friday or something happening over the weekend that you tend to get big moves on a Monday. So hasn't been anything this weekend, so I suspect we're probably just going to go sideways. So I will sit this one out. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.